Hi, welcome to this Pen Publishing Interactive video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable robot protection on forms in FlipperSD. Let's get started. So this is my sample form, just a regular simple form. I'm already logged into my Flipper website, and I know that because I can see this menu at the bottom. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Administer Section. Once I click that, I'm going to get this menu here, and I am going to click on Form Elements. And here's where you can enable robot protection on a form. So I'm just going to scroll down. I'm under the Settings tab, and I'm going to get to the Robot Protection section. I'm going to check the Enable Robot Protection box, and it's going to give me protection mode options. First option that's there is Invisible Text Box. We have CAPTCHA, and we have Minimum Timeout. So I'm going to explain each one of these. First, I'm going to select Invisible Text Box. And what this is the form creates a invisible text box behind the scenes that cannot be seen by humans and is only fillable by robots. So if it sees this hidden field filled by robots, it basically protects, it filters the form. It doesn't let it go through because it knows that a human can't fill it out because it's not seen on the screen. And I'm going to save this so you can see what it looks like. It's not going to change my form much at all. Actually, it's not going to at all. So from a human perspective, you can't see. There's no new field. There's nothing. But that's enabled already. The next one is CAPTCHA. We're all familiar with CAPTCHA. It creates an alphanumerical kind of code or display on the screen that you can hear on Flipper. You can select if you want 3 characters, 4 characters, 5 characters. I'm just going to leave it at 5 characters, and you also have the option to display audio. I'm going to leave that off. I'm going to hit save. Then I'm going to refresh this form here. You can see what that looks like. As you can see, it added the CAPTCHA on there. So now someone has to fill this out before they submit the form. Again, you're trying to protect against robot, against spam. So that's why we have these options here. And that's the CAPTCHA setting or option here for enabling robot protection. And then the last one that we have, the FlipperSD has, is the minimum timeout protection mode. So what this does is, if the submission is faster than the minimum seconds allowed here, it assumes a robot filled it out. So if I set this to 3 seconds, if the form is submitted in less than 3 seconds, it denies it. It protects you from that spam. 12 seconds is what we have here as default, so I'm going to hit save. Again, on this one, same thing. You won't see any change on here. It's all behind the scenes. So sometimes, you might have a preference where you don't want any additional fields. The CAPTCHA sometimes is a preference thing. So you can use the protection for using the minimum timeout protection, which again, it's cleaner and it doesn't add any additional fields to your form. So that's how you add robot protection to a form in FlipperSD. I hope this video has been beneficial. If you're interested in to learn more about our company, our products, and our services, please visit penpublishing.com. You can also follow us on Facebook, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you, and until next time.